What's up everyone? Hit subscribe now, share, and like. We are diving straight in. It's your boy, Travels. And today we are doing something absolutely insane. You might have heard the news. Bag searches at airports surged a mind-blowing 5,000% in 2025. This is not a drill. People are getting their bags torn apart. Flights are being missed. Vacations are being ruined before they even start. Security is getting unbelievably tight. If you don't have the right gear, you could face a deep dive search that takes hours. So, to save you from that nightmare, I went out and bought the 10 most essential items that will make you breeze through security like a VIP. This isn't just about packing smart, this is about survival. Airport insiders, security experts, frequent flyers, the items we're about to unbox are the secret weapons. Hit subscribe now, share and like. You are not going to want to miss a single second of this. This could be the difference between you sipping a piña colada on the beach, or being stuck in a tiny room explaining why your bag is a disorganized mess. We're going to look at everything from smart luggage that tracks itself, hidden pocket jackets, portable Wi-Fi, insane compression bags. These 10 must-haves will save you time, money, and your sanity in this new travel world. Let's get into it. Kicking things off with number 1, the smart carry-on suitcase. This isn't your grandpa's dusty luggage. Think of it as a suitcase with a computer science degree. It has built-in GPS so you can see where your bag is at all times. If an airline says it's lost, you can say, no. It's right there. More connected travel, more electronics. Theft prevention is top of mind. Airports are watching for anything suspicious or valuable, which means more searches. A smart suitcase signals organization. You look like a pro, not chaos. The first massive benefit is trackability, when peace of mind is priceless. If flights divert or there's a baggage strike, you still see your bag's journey. Second huge benefit, built-in charging. Most come with a removable power bank and exterior USB ports. No more fighting for crowded charging stations. Charge your phone, your headphones, your tablet, right at the gate. Once you experience this convenience, you never go back. You become your own power hub. Critical, always check your airline's battery rules. If you check the bag, remove the battery and carry it on board. Forget this, and your bag could be flagged and delayed. Get the smart suitcase. And use it smartly. This is your first step to beating the system. Number 2 is small but mighty for your identity, an RFID blocking passport wallet. A wallet? Yes, really. Passports, cards, even licenses have RFID chips storing your data wirelessly. Scammers can skim from several feet away, right through your pocket. Unprotected documents can trigger extra screening. RFID wallets create a protective shield, like a force field. Walk through crowds with confidence. Small cost, massive peace of mind. Pro tip: keep one card with your passport. Stash backups elsewhere. Build layers of security so you're never stranded. Number 3, the ultimate power duo. A universal adapter plus a high-capacity power bank. A go-anywhere power solution. One adapter for Europe, Asia, Australia, the Americas. 2025. Travel mulchers work from anywhere. Power is essential. Dead devices, mulchers unprepared. Stay charged. Avoid extra questions. Adapter handles any wall. Bank covers the gaps. Land safely with guaranteed power. Maps, calls, rides. Your personal energy reserve, always refillable. Tip: get PD fast charging for speed. Stay under 100 Won, about 27,000 mAh for flights. Get the biggest bank under the limit. Charge like a pro. Number 4, packing cubes and compression bags. Simple looking, engineering genius. They turn your suitcase into organized drawers. Trips are multi-stop now. Varied outfits and more chaos without systems. Neat cubes lower your risk profile. Find anything in seconds. Repack fast in tight rooms. Compression bags. Just pack twice as much in the same space. Label cubes by clothing type or by day. Pull one cube. Done. Maximum efficiency unlocked. Number 5. your own secure connection, portable hotspot, or eSIM. Create a private Wi-Fi for you and your crew. Nomads and creators power 2025 travel. Public Wi-Fi is a cyber risk. Own connection. Locks, encrypted, faster, reliable. Bank, work, and call without worry. And without hotel Wi-Fi drag. No sharing bandwidth with hundreds of guests. Short trip, global eSIM can be fine. Longer stay. Buy a local eSIM SIM on arrival. More data, less money. A little research goes a long way. Number 6. High-quality ANC headphones. Your brains do not disturb. They cancel ambient noise with opposite sound waves. Planes are packed. Airports are louder. Rest is essential. Create a bubble of tranquility. Arrive refreshed. Go wireless and foldable. No cord tangles. Compact carry. They pay for themselves on your first long haul. Number 7. Your personalized mini first aid and toiletries kit. Exactly what you need, nothing you don't. Fix little problems instantly. Keep enjoying your trip. Bring your preferred products, reduce plastic waste, customize by destination, keep prescriptions in original labeled containers, prepared, comfortable, independent. Number 8. A lightweight travel jacket with hidden pockets. It's a wearable carry-on for safety and lighter packing. Breeze through, take off the jacket, send it through. One organized item. Pro tip, test zippers. Look for YKK quality. Number 9. Compact cameras, AUX action cams, like GoPro or Insta360. Insane stabilization. High-res, built for adventure. Everyone creates now. Demand drives innovation. Capture without sacrificing the moment. Shoot first, point later. Like having a whole crew. Bring extra high-speed SD cards and essential mounts. Never miss the shot. We've made it to number 10. Lock it down literally and figuratively. Use TSA locks and a good cable organizer. Searches surge. Expensive gear is everywhere. Unlocked zippers invite thieves. Cable mess looks suspicious. A visible lock says, move on. Organizer. No more digging for chargers. Pull one neat pouch at screening. Faster, more professional. Always buy TSA approved. Red diamond logo. Non-approved. If they must inspect, they'll cut it off. Protect your bag for the entire journey. The smart suitcase, RFID wallet, power combo, compression bags, personal Wi-Fi, ANC headphones, custom first aid kit, travel jacket, pocket studio, and locks with a cable organizer. Pack these 10. Travel smoother, stress less. Become invisible to the problems that plague other travelers. Bypass delays and avoid searches. 5,000% sounds scary, but for you, it's irrelevant now. You're walking to your gate, organized and secure. Don't forget to hit subscribe. More insane travel challenges and hacks coming. Which travel item can't you live without? Tell us in the comments.